Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Let us today learn the next topic, that is conversion of length. Units of length. What are the different units we use to measure length? Let us take few examples. The length of a pencil. How do we measure the length of a pencil? If we take a scale, we can see that the length of the pencil can be measured in centimeters. Similarly, if I say I want to measure the length of a rope, the length of a big rope like this is generally measured in meters. Now, if I tell you to find the length of the road from Amritsar to Delhi, in which unit would you measure this distance or the length? Yes, we measure this distance in kilometers. What do we understand from this? We understand that we need to have different units of measurement depending upon our application or the use. So, now the length can be measured in different units like kilometer, meter, centimeter or even millimeter. Now, let us understand the conversions between them. How to convert between one unit of measurement into other. So, conversion of length from meters into centimeters. How do we do that? How meters and centimeters are related? We need to see that. Yes, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Remember, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Therefore, what will be 2 meters? Simple. 2 into 100 or 200 centimeters. And 5 meters? Yes, 5 into 100, 500 centimeters. And so on. So, to convert meter into centimeter, just write 2 zeros to the right of the given number. Or in other words, multiply by 100. Correct? So, 48 meter will be what, my dear students? Simply add 2 zeros to its right. 4800. That is 4800 centimeter. So simple is it? Correct. Let's move ahead. Now, let's do conversion of length and look at some more conversions like meter and centimeter into centimeter. When your question is given in meter as well as centimeter together, we first convert the meter part into centimeter. How? By using 1 meter as equal to 100 centimeter. Let's take one example, that is, we have to convert 2 meter 35 centimeter into completely centimeters. First, we consider the 2 meter part. So, 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. We have just seen that.
What remains? What remains is 35 centimeter. Add to 200, you get
235 centimeter. Let's take one more example. 8 meter 74 centimeter. Now, 8 meter will be equal to 800 centimeter plus the remaining 74 centimeter. Adds up to 874 centimeter. So simple, students.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.